Hi, my name is Lara and I'm a Quality Control Associate Scientist at Autolus.
When I was at school, I was always interested in science and healthcare. I took BTECs in applied science, business, as well as health and social care. I joined Autolus straight after school as an apprentice. I learnt best by working hands-on. Autolus is an exciting new biotechnology company that develops new CAR T-cell therapies for cancer patients. When I first started at Autolus, we were a very small company, so I got the chance to work in many different departments. Hospitals provide the blood donations and we remove the cancer cells. We also equip the T cells with a CAR receptor, which allows them to recognise and kill cancer cells. Treatment is still in clinical trial phase, so all of our patients are end of life. Many of them are now in remission, which means our work is making a massive difference to their lives and giving them extra time with friends and family. When you're looking for an apprenticeship, don't look at just the big companies. If you join a small company, you'll be able to experience as well as learn more.